How to share your PDF as a link. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way and easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my browser. You can use any browser. For this we need to use the Google Drive. So Google Drive, simply you need to just log in with your Gmail account. Okay, just come to the Google and log in with your Gmail account, and just head over that Google Drive option. This is Google Drive application from Google. Okay, if you're not familiar of this app, so it is very useful for store your documents and folder from Google's, and Google's gives you up to 15 GB storage for free. Okay, so here come to the Google Drive, and now we need to upload that file. Just go to the file upload and find that PDF file. So I have this PDF file. Just select that PDF file and open it. So it will start uploading here. So it is uploaded. Now just go to the show file. It will be show here, or just go to home, refresh, and go to the file tab, go to the PDF. Now you can see all your PDF from Google Drive, and you can see the top your recent one. So this is my recent one. So now just right click on it, go to the share, and go to the share option. So this is, one second, let me do it again. Go to the share option. So here you can see this is my email ID, as I am owner here. You can see. So this is it's restricted now. You need to make it anyone with this link. So it is only viewer. So if you make it editor, so people can edit your PDF. So I suggest you make it only viewer. Comments, the commenter means people can suggest you for changes. Okay, editor means they can directly change your PDF or document. So I advise you make it viewer only. Now you just copy the link, and you can share to anyone. So anyone with this link can view your PDF like this. Okay, so there is a lots of features here. I will show you. Okay, if you make it restricted, or if you want to make it private, so just make it to restricted here, and here you need to add that people email ID one by one. Okay, so you can see I have add 2 email ID here. Okay, and you can write the message for them, and here also you can make the permission. You can change the permission. Editor means they can, as you know, the editor can edit anything directly. Commenter means they can suggest you for changes, or viewer means they can only view your PDF with this link. Okay, so if you make it restricted, and you need to just add the email ID to whom you want to give the permission as a viewer. Just add them email ID here and just send, and copy the link. You can also copy the link from here. You can send from email ID, or from your email ID, or you can directly send from your messages app, or you can send directly from here. They will get the email from your side that you have shared the file to them. So they both only need to log in with this email ID, and they can view your file. But if you want to make it easy, just come back, make it anyone want this link, make it viewer, and just copy the link and just share it. Okay, so the people can with this link can view your PDF file. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.